Hello boys and girls, welcome to a V8 Lego engine block. Pieces you will need: two 1x4 smooth tiles, two of these, 4 1x2 grills. They're grey, mate, just get grey, and the colours I use is what I use, you can do whatever. A 1x1 circle brick, a 1-pin aerial pole thing, I don't know what you would call them, you need 2 of these. 4 of the grills, if I didn't say that. 1x1 circle stud brick block, you need 2 of these. And you need 2 1x1 circle plates, whatever you want to call them, studs. Then you want to have 2 2x4 plates, 2 of those. 4 2x1 sort of clip things. They're the things that come as mirrors on most of the Lego cars. You want 2 1x2 claw element block things, but I don't have 2 of those. Oops. So I am substituting with 2 of these 1x1 claw blocks. You can substitute with 4 of them, but it just makes it weaker. You want a 1x2x2 L shape block, 1 circle pin red block, a 2x2 circle smooth bottomed block, and a 2x1 by 1x4 angle block like this. Alright, so we start with our one of our 2x4s, or both of them actually. Get both of them. And you want to put it just off center like this. Alright, that's right. You then take your 1x1 studs, and you want to put those 2 at the front like this, like this. We then take our circle plate and put it at the bottom to hold those in solid so they stay there. Alright, looks like we're making like a fighter jet. Anyways, next step, you want to take your 4 of these for a minute, and clip your 1x4 smooth grey tiles on top of those. Alright, and I'll push those aside for a minute because now we've got to get our claw element blocks and put them back and put them on in the middle of the top plate. So there's a little hangover here, which is the bottom plate. Put them in the top of in the middle of the top plate, sorry, like so. Then get your L-shaped block, depending if you want to make it left or right, whatever way you want to make it. Just grab it. I'm going to put it off to the left of my motor like that, like so. That will be to hold your master cylinder, even though that's usually not connected to the engine, or whatever you want to call it. I just calling it a master cylinder piece because it's that's an important piece, otherwise your car would just die. No. But it could be a fluid container, whatever you want to do. You want to put your little red stud on top of this grey thing, circle top slot. You want to put it on top like so, and then connect it to your L shape, like this. Alright, so you've got your L shape. You then just push those bits aside, grab your piece and your 4 grills. Now, the grills have a little stud in the center. You want to put that in the holes of your angle piece, so it's centered like so. You're going to do that with all 4 of them. Like so. Then you get your engine block back and you connect it. This is the radiator, by the way. It's usually not connected to the engine, but it's just to make it one solid little engine slot in. Alright, and you connect that to the front little 2x1 gap you had on there, just in there, like so. Okay. Alright, I'll put on the side again. We then want to get our 2 knobs and our 2 poles. I have 2 slightly different coloured poles. That's okay. Now you want to get them, and you want to put the knobs on the end like so. Alright, this creates the exhaust manifold. You can put it on your car a few ways. You can connect them to a firewall with studs, or you can connect it from the bottom. We're just going to slip both of them into that bit there and just push it till it stops, like so. Now remember these pieces, grab them, flip them upside down. The middle bit goes in between the claws, this center bit here, and push it together like so. Fold it in. Same with the other side. Click it, fold it. That is the V8 block. I will be making another one, a little bit different. If you enjoyed that, please like, comment, subscribe, because the next video will be this fireplace cross wood oven, whatever you want to call it. So I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.